What's up, everybody? It's your host, Alex Saul, Solid Ecom Automation. I think it's really important that you always get the most current and most up-to-date e-commerce news from your trusted source. So, as you know, I'm all things Amazon FBA, have been and will continue to be. Wholesale model is awesome and there's many opportunities on Amazon, but I think it's really important that you stay ahead and are in front of a lot of market trends. And one of those things that's going on is on TikTok. TikTok in January of 2024, as we're getting into this year, TikTok is on a trend to actually do about 17 billion in revenue for 2024, which is crazy. It's seeing massive growth on the e-commerce, space, and that's a place where you want to be. TikTok Shops is a huge opportunity to get into right now. Amazon, great platform, they charge 15% referral fees, commission fees, whereas TikTok only charges 8%. Now look, to do, a successful Amazon business, there's really a lot that goes into it. And to run a successful TikTok shop, there's a lot that goes into it as well. But guess what? Over here at Solid Ecom, we got you covered with all things Amazon, and also we can help you out with the TikTok shop. So I look forward to letting you know more about